Namaskara. My name is J. Selvaraj. My company name is MME Borewell. I am in Bangalore, Kamanalli. Today I am checking water point in Chittoor. Party given nice cooperation. I like him very much. Same like water has to come too much. We'll see. He's done nice cooperation. I send sample videos. Everything is sent it. After send the payment is given all replies. I think it will work out. We'll see. Whoever interested in online point second opinion, let them send their address, their photo and the location. Then I need a small video. Actually he sent, I'm going to up to date upload in the YouTube next video. See, he's going point to east side. He's kept it already to tomato. Then we are moving to number 1. Again we are starting from 1 to 2. See, when we are moving to first to second, in between we got one source. That place we have to keep 11. No, I told him to come back. He's coming back, he's giving nice cooperation. We are keeping now one lemon there. So in that place some water is going to the point. After keeping the lemon, we are trying to move the next point. That's called third tomato. See, we are moving. Here also we got one more source. No. This video done already. Speech adding later. See, yeah, this is second source. We are keeping lemon, we have to treat as source is coming. From there we are moving to third lemon to fourth lemon. See, Rangoli powder is there. We didn't get anything. We are moving to other point. 2 minutes. See, there is one gap. Whereas the gap is coming, we have to keep the lemon. So, 3 sources available in the particular point. This point is checked by somewhere else. They told there is water. They can put the borewell. Now I am telling how many sources available in this point. That is how much depth. Everything I am studying, I am telling to you. He is also marking it. This guy talking with Tamil language. So very easy for me. Who are calling like this? See, the one more point we got. This is my ringtone. Who is seeing this video, try to subscribe. If already subscribed, try to share to others. Thanks for your cooperation. Everybody has to pray. He has to get the water with God blessing. With my subscriber, well wishes. Thanks to everybody, everyone's. All is well. All is well.